Mickey took us to the second floor. He talks, but it's Japanese in the elevator and I don't know what he's saying, but I still love it. We get to keep this,
yes,
don't
we do. So we have 5 toothbrushes for one night for 2 people.
Okay, perfect. Is this the robot monster? That's your robot monster.
High power, all sorts of crazy gadgets.
Clarice knew we were coming. I don't know. Look at those pillows.
All the artwork.
Wait, our pajamas. I like how they they've had the drawers like open for us to see the things they wanted us to see.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, this room is really cool. We have 2 beds, which is fine because that's typical.
Happy honeymoon.
Happy honeymoon.
Sleep separately.
We're together and that's all that matters.
Oh, that's true.
Aw, come give me a kiss.
Okay. What are we doing?
He's cooking us dinner. He's the chef.
Oh yeah, look at these cool little things. So the fork doesn't have to touch the table. Cleaning your hands? Yeah.
Mickey. Called us fat.
Yes. Just came out of the restaurant and fireworks.